Hitachi makes noises again, and we have the gusset in place. Good afternoon, YouTube. Here with you on a Saturday afternoon. I'm in the workshop once more. Gonna be playing around with this Hitachi a little bit more. I wanted to show you the finished result of that. There you can see, I think you can see that's in there. It's not completely done, but I just set it in there to double check a couple of things, and it does seem to fit. Now I'm gonna have to I'll show you more on the other camera, but I'm gonna have to trim just a little bit more than I have on trimmed, and I don't think that'll be a problem. Hold on to that part and just sort of get my trimmer in there a little bit. I think it'll work alright. If it don't, that's okay too. But anyway, the reason I'm here, back here I should say, thanks to George Christophe, I have the rest of the schematic for this Hitachi, the Sam's schematic that is, and I'm going to use that to do some wiring of the radios, or where I can test it again, and I want to make sure everything's still working perfectly. Well, you know, as good as I can. And I may go ahead and do some other stuff too as well. Put that stuff away before I get it all over everything. I already got it all over my finger. But I want to get a couple of caps changed, E-caps, and some other stuff. I got my soldering iron heating up, and I want to get, like I said, get this thing hooked up to where I know it's working. Make sure, double check that I am right about this. It says right here on this schematic I'm right. And this is Sam's. They're usually pretty accurate. So, you know, I'm hoping that's the way it is. So, we're going to go from there. So let me get busy, and I got some footage on here already. I believe I already put it on the thing from the other night, showing some stuff. So I may put that on here. I don't know what I'll do. I also had some footage today from work being done outside the house there on the O'Brien Street. They're putting up some new utility poles, it looks like. And so I may put a little of that in, sped up. You know how that works. And I don't know. We'll see. But mainly I want to see if this thing works. And do some wiring on it to, like I said, get that done. And so we can get on with this thing. And I want to get that part fixed also, that gusset part, to where I can actually make it fit down in here like it's supposed to. So that would be helpful. Anywho, let me get to that, and we'll go on the other camera. We'll take a look on that, see what it looks like. So stay tuned. Alright, back with you again. It is 5:01 in the afternoon. I'm going to turn this radio on. I have it all hooked up. And as you can hear, it does work. Let's see, where is mine? Here it is. You see, I have the, this is all in now and perfectly aligned. Not perfectly, but you know what I mean. I'm thinking this might be sticking out a little bit too far. Let me turn this down a little bit. I don't know that it is, but I think maybe it needs to go in that way a little bit more, and it certainly wouldn't hurt anything, I don't think. Now I have a little leeway to adjust those springs over that way a little bit. Can't do it a lot, but can do it a little bit. And like I said, that is that's in there good and solid now. There's no give to it, so that part of it's done as far as that goes, unless I decide to take a little bit more off this side and let it go in a little bit further. You can see there's the curvature for the battery to fit on. I think it's these here that fit in there, I'm pretty sure. And I think that basically attaches to these curved parts here, and basically stays in there, and then the batteries go in. So anyway, that's what I've got coming on so far. But like I said, I just wanted to show you that I did have it hooked up, and I do have it soldered up here. We can see one here. The white wire solders in there, and the black wire solders right there beside it, basically. And that big solder pile there. So I don't know if you're seeing that or not, but let me tilt it up a little bit more. But anyway, here's the black solder thing, and there's the white one right there next to it. So, but it does work, and even with the switch.
70 to 57, the Boilermakers go to 16-4.
Turns off, turns on.
24th regular season Big Ten championship, more than any other school. They will be.
I still need to change these.
Number 13, Kansas beat Baylor.
E-caps. Those are old as the hills.
And number 14, Florida State defeated Wake Forest 65 to.
But you can hear it does work pretty good.
Into tournament play, having won 12 of their last.
Don't seem to be getting anything that in. Now I lost the other one.
Out of your pocket so you can save more.
There it is.
The L&N 55 mortgage offers no PMI and financing up to 100%.
Kind of like to see what this is.
5858 or visit lnfcu.com today to get started so you can save more and do more. Adjustable rate mortgage rate adjusts once every 5 years. Approval based on credit qualifications. Equal housing lender. Member NCUA. NMLS number 521738. You're a Cat fan, right? Or did you know in 8 tries the team ranked 22nd in the AP poll has never beaten the Cats? If you knew that, we'll bet you know this. Who's the state's only homegrown and all-time leading insurance company? If you said Kentucky Farm Bureau, you switched it like a...
That almost has to be
agents in every Kentucky county. We're here to help
WHAS because it's down that end of the band.
to your home and auto. Go blue and go Farm Bureau. Kentucky Farm Bureau, big on commitment. The Big Blue Dream is alive at Kentucky, and you can count on the Cats to deliver the best basketball possible. You can also count on Welch Printing Company, an avid supporter of UK athletics, to deliver on all your printing and communication needs. Like a well-oiled team, Welch has the personnel and commitment to consistently deliver your projects on time and on budget. Welch Printing, back-to-back winner, Best of Show, the Printing Industry Association of the South produces award-winning litho and digital printing for your marketing and communication needs. Visit our website or call us to learn more about how we can deliver more for you. This is Sleep Center with your hosts, UK Coach John Calipari and Sleep Outfitters founder Kim Knopf. Kim, for real.
Well, like I say, whatever it is, it's something either in the middle of the band or towards the lower part of the band. So, anywho, that's going to do me. You guys have a wonderful day. I just wanted to show you that I'm making some progress. Like I said, I still have to do the caps and it's a couple other things. I still want to clean that switch a little bit better. It's working, but it doesn't work great.
Back on the rugged new 2019 Tacoma pickup.
Right now it is, but it wasn't before. So, all right, you guys have a great day. I will see you all later, and we will see ya.